If I could only eat one salad all summer long, it would have to be this one. This peanut noodle salad is made with tons of fresh veggies, pad thai noodles, and a peanut sauce that's so good you'll want to lick it off the spoon. Welcome back. If you're new here, I am Steph and I make vegan recipes for people who love to eat. If that's you, keep watching and we're gonna get right into it. Alright, so first we're just gonna cook 8 ounces of noodles according to the package instructions. I'm using pad thai noodles, but you can use anything you like. Then we're just gonna rinse them in cold water to stop them from cooking. While the noodles are cooking, I'm gonna start chopping up the veggies. So we're just gonna need 2 cups of sliced red cabbage, 1 cup of finely diced red bell pepper, 1 cup of julienne carrots, and half a cup of chopped roasted peanuts. We're also going to use a cup of edamame without the shells. If you're buying yours frozen, there's a good chance that it is already cooked and you just need to defrost it. But mine is fresh, so I'm just going to boil it for 5 minutes and then rinse it in some cold water. Okay, so the last part of this salad is the peanut sauce, and for this you're just going to need half a cup of creamy peanut butter, 6 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce, a 1/4 cup of maple syrup, a 1/4 cup of lime juice, and 2 tablespoons each of rice vinegar, sriracha, grated ginger, and minced garlic. I like to use an immersion blender with the whisk attachment to mix this up because it can be a bit tough to combine by hand. If you don't have an immersion blender, the best way to do it is put it into a sealed jar and shake it up. Alright, now we're just gonna put everything in the fridge for a few hours. You can store the noodles and veggies together, but I recommend keeping the peanut sauce separate. And if you want, you can portion it out into individual serving sizes and store them in individual jars like this one. Once it's fully chilled, it's almost ready to serve. So we're just gonna combine the noodles and the veggies and then toss it up with some peanut sauce. You might not need to use all the peanut sauce, but it is so delicious. It makes literally anything taste better, so you will definitely find a way to use it. Finally, we're gonna garnish it with some peanuts and either chopped green onions or cilantro, your choice, and that's it. This is just such a good recipe for summer. You can get in so many fresh veggies and it tastes like a total indulgence. Well, that's all I've got for you for this one. If you try this recipe, please let me know what you think in the comments. And if you want more delicious plant-powered recipes, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.